All right, time now for a look at our weather. And today, as you heard at the top of the show, we have a weather impact day because we're looking for rain, some downpours to move in later tonight into early tomorrow morning. Strong gusty winds with that, and those wind gusts could get as high as 35 miles an hour in some locations. Now, this isn't including everyone in our viewing area, but a few of us, especially east of, let's say, 385 east of Greenville, Spartanburg, Cherokee, up towards Rutherford County, as well as Union and Lawrence. I want you to pay very close attention to the possibility of rain and showers and windy conditions later this afternoon and overnight. We're in the 70s right now in the upstate, 60s, low 70s in western North Carolina. A pleasant afternoon, a breezy afternoon, winds of about 10 to 15 miles an hour across most spots in the upstate, and we'll continue to watch wind gusts anywhere from 20 to 25 miles an hour as we go through the afternoon. Those winds will start to pick up just a little bit more heading into the later part of the evening, and this is what we're talking about. Those wind gusts briefly hit about 35 to 40 miles an hour through the evening, through the overnight, through early tomorrow morning. The good news is that most of this is before the sun comes up, so hopefully you're at home and asleep and not dealing outside with this, but we'll see gusty winds early tomorrow morning. That's all part of a storm system that's off the coast of South Carolina and North Carolina that's moving on shore, and you can see those outer bands of showers trying to work their way towards Cherokee County. The heaviest rain, though, continues from Wilmington, North Carolina through Fayetteville up towards Raleigh. It's clipping the South Carolina areas near Florence, just north of Myrtle Beach and the PD region. We're seeing some heavy downpours as that area of low pressure slowly pivots back on shore. So it's not going to become a tropical system, it doesn't look like, because of two things. It's running out of time before it moves on shore and loses some energy, and that center is not a concentrated center. You need that center of circulation, and that's not what we have right now. Either way, what's left of the system will work its way on shore through the evening over the next 24 hours, and there's just become an area of low pressure. But that's enough to generate quite a bit of rain, especially close to that center. And as we go through the evening and the overnight, 7 to 8 o'clock, we'll start to see some of those showers move in. We'll get those waves moving in tonight through early tomorrow morning. And notice where these areas are setting up. From Greenville to Spartanburg, Rutherfordton to Gaffney, Union, Boiling Springs, you're expected to see some heavy rain through the evening, through the overnight. Those areas could see as much as a half of an inch, maybe as much as an inch of rain in a few locations, particularly Gaffney and Union. So you want to be aware of that overnight tonight through the early morning hours. Now, right now it's very pleasant. We are partly sunny, a little bit of cloud cover in Spartanburg, mostly cloudy in Greenville, but those showers will start to move in, especially after 6 o'clock tonight. So tonight and early tomorrow are both weather impact days. We start to dry out Wednesday, Thursday, as highs are in the 80s, and then the weekend, well, it looks great. We're in the mid-70s in the upstate for Saturday and Sunday. And after our weather impact days today and tomorrow, the mountains will see weekend highs in the mid-70s.